Welcome back to Coding Casually, and today's topic is how you can make a data visualization in Python using Bokeh. We've already made a video on it, which was the previous one, how to make the circle charts. But today we will be making horizontals and vertical bar charts using Bokeh Python module. I have Jupyter notebook open on my system, and I'll go into the new and I'll basically open the new Python 3 notebook and we'll start writing the Python code. So what we will do is we will import the module. We will say from bokeh.plotting import. Now what we're going to import, we'll import the figure, of course that is self-explanatory, and we will import output file, and then we will try to show it. So now output file will be bar chart html, and then we will write the graph, and the graph will be basically figure, and we will give the title of it bar charts is something which is okay as a title. Now we will write y-axis. Basically this is a list, and this is basically a dummy data. You can also import Excel file and then make charts out of it, and if you want me to make a video on that, I can make the video on how to read Excel file and create charts. And now we will write height, and I'll tell you why, and this is related to the height of the bar, and we will write graph. So now we would be making the bar charts. We would be starting with h bar, which is horizontal bars. We have y-axis with us, which is y, and then the right will be x, and we have height as well, and that will be height. Now what we can do is we can say show graph. The moment I press enter, shift enter, you'll see that you will be seen output file is not defined. Okay, sorry for that. So output file is here. Now if you want to color these, you can also color these as well by writing fill color, and that is very important, because suppose if you want to color the same, that is okay. If you don't want to, that is also fine. So if I write red, and you will see that these will become red. Now suppose if you want to create a vertical bar chart, what you can do is you can copy this, and then you can paste, and then you first of all you have to comment the same, and then instead of h bar you can write v bar. But in v bar what happens is you can provide this, instead of right, what you can do is you can write top here, and then instead of height you can write width here, and then if you would press enter, you'll see bar charts which are vertical. So these are the horizontal ones, these are the vertical ones. If you want to color everything, you want to define colors for every bar, what you can do is you can create a list and then provide color. So here I can go for black, I can go for gray, then yellow, and then what else we can choose for a color, red, black, gray, yellow, blue we can write, and you will see that these are now colored. So this is how you make bar charts using Bokeh as a module. I know that there are plenty others data visualization module available for Python, but I believe Bokeh is one of the simplest one. You can create interactive charts as well. There's a huge possibility with Bokeh. We'll keep creating videos on Bokeh, and I'm sure that if you find this useful, I'm sure that it does, and it did, you can share this video, you can comment below, and if there is any other problem that you want me to solve for data visualization, I can create a video on it. Thank you for hanging on.